far so good.
Like my baby mama, know how to take care of me. Give my baby problems, you gon' regret every day. So I let her know, gotta let her know. Came through the front door, I'll be ready for her. And if it's what you want, I'ma give it to you. Yeah, promise, I'ma give it to you.
Miss that smile, Lord knows I ain't seen that in a while, but it's your style, so something must be up keeping you down. You a queen that must be heaven sent. Pray my soul, I must repent for not telling you what I meant and how I felt. Honestly, I'm used to throwing wishes in a well. My conscience tells me that I could have helped without fail. Actions speak louder than words, yeah, that's a lesson that I learned all by myself.
Let her know, I gotta let her know that she my white horse, she my medical. She like my baby mama, know how to take care of me. Give my baby problems, you gon' regret every day. So I let her know.
So what I didn't realize is while I was too busy looking at the remote and riding on the ski for a while, I ended up sucking up a lot of the weeds that are floating around here, and now it's all clogged up in the grate. So only one way to fix that is jump in and pull it out. Woo, it's chilly still. Going out a dude, coming back up as a woman. Privilege. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. I should have done it. Oh wee. There we go. Much better. Alright, let's get going.
Yeah, even when I'm happy, you are by my side. And when I close my eyes, you're still stuck on me. You never made it easy for me, baby. You never made it easy for me, baby. Yeah, even if you're gone, you come back at night. Cause you ain't give me down whenever I'm on the road. You never made it easy for me, baby. You never made it easy for me, baby. Smiles fake, just gotta power it through. Cause otherwise you'll pull me way down with you. You're not gonna become a habit. I'm not letting you tell me how to be. And make my way till you let me free. Overload, I'm insecure, set me free. And it just doesn't seem like me, making it look like I'm fine. I'm fine.
So I think that's going to be about it for today. Didn't lose a cooler, didn't lose the drone, which is a great thing in my book, you know, compared to last time. But thanks for watching. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good one, y'all.
Yeah, even when I'm happy, you are by my side. And when I close my eyes, you're still stuck on me.